Morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone had a wonderful night last night. Looking for an amazing trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. See what we got today in the room. See what we got today on the social media. Should be live on the Ticker Talker today for the first time. Welcome, boys. Thank you for welcoming me in. Nice to be part of the team. See what we got going on. What's going on, Mr. Dennison, Mr. Charlie Brown, Mr. Sewell? Morning, guys. Nice to see you out there. Welcome, everybody else. Let's say hello to the Mojo room. See what we got here. Futures are down 615 on this lovely Friday morning. Wonderful. March 27th, almost the end of the month. If I told you a couple weeks ago the world would be shut down, I just can't believe this, guys. It's amazing what's going on. It's just incredible. So we got a couple of stocks hot today. This BKYI traded 2 million shares already. It was hot today. I already made a little pre-market test in it. It's working good. JDST is looking good today, 217. LITB, a popular symbol, BKYI. We get the watch list going for the Mojo. Let's see what we got hot and what's not today, shall we? Let's do that. Hot and not. All right. Have ASTC, a little BKYI, a little LITB, a little PHUN, PHUN. This was a swing pick. NH, a little MFA again today, a little NYMT, a little Hoth today. Up there. Aurora Cannabis is up there. MITT, okay. Still raised $9. Wow. Wow. I hate my camera's like a little delayed. It's so bad. It's like I'm still like a little delay. I used to be pissed about that. Change this setting. Test. Still not to knock me back. Yeah. I got my SM5 shirt on today. Can't golf, so I better be like, dude, you know, wish I could golf. In between. That. There we go. It does work a little bit. Got my wish I was playing golf. Book all ready to go. Got my notes from my last couple of rounds in that book, all rocking. Last round. Let's see my notes from my just like trading, guys. Look at the notes from my round. 322, Madison Green. Played with Perry, the owner of the Llanos. Played first shot. 5 wood. On my notes, L wedge 105 with 5 spin back. Little subpar round, see that? Nice. What do you hit? What do you hit in L wedge? I hit an L wedge 105 with 5 spin back, baby. Can't believe Tilray's $9. Wow. Can't believe Tilray's $9. DKYI's traded 3.8 million shares this morning. Aurora Cannabis is up 23 cents to $1.12 on 4.3 million today. This is definitely a good one to buy right here. Going to go to 120. That's 10% move right here from 113, 112 to 120 plus. ACB. Like that one. From 110, 111, and 112. ACB will do that. Oh, thanks, man. Well, we got 2 big people here today, Mar, huh? RSDS and Gibby. Welcome. Fast handers here in McBrood, but they're not online. Anyone else? Oh, a couple people down here. They're not online either. What does this guy own his own room? Oh, he's a playboy. Oh, something. Oh, playbook. DFS playbook. He owns his own room, does something. He's a sports gambler. And anyway, see what else is going on. PHUN $1.06 by $1.07 came from 72 cents. NYMT traded $1 million. All right. MFA. LITB. And nothing's looking so awesome today at all. I don't think so. And we throw up a couple on the watch list for 27. Let's see what we got going on for today. We could put up there on the watch list PHUN $1.05. Just keep it over $1. BKYI 10. DD 110. Day of the little ones, dude. LITB 115. ASTC $5. Okay, that's up there. BVSN wasn't a swing pick I sent out, guys, so don't get confused. Like Nick did. A lot of volume, man, but not a lot of movement. $327, end of the month. Craziest month in the history of anyone's stock trading in the whole world, for sure. Anyone ever. Big time, big time. Traded some good ones yesterday. Live on the ticker. Ticker Talker, am I live on your channel? Let's see. Nope. Nope. I am not live on Ticker Talker. See, I'm offline. They don't got me online. They said they were going to put me up there this morning, and they were going to erase my return. They didn't do either. Seems to be a waste of my time. Ticker Talker has gone live. Let's see. Maybe they're showing me here. Nope. Bad work, guys. Bad work. Alright, let's see if there's anything in the news today of any importance. Doing nothing this morning. We had our moves, guys. We had our moves. Stock futures fall 3 straight days of gains. I thought yesterday on the newspaper, on TV, we were up 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row. And they want to make up their mind, man. Jeez Louise. Stock futures fall 3 days. I hate the people on TV saying the market's going to snap back in a month. We're going to be spending like we was and this and that. There is no way in the world. Go outside, dude. Take a look around. Ain't happening so fast like that. Things just don't happen fast, man. Corona job losses hit these states the hardest. I'm sorry to say, guys, the homework assignment was to find the next group of stocks that worked really, really well. You know what I'm saying? Now we got to find the next group of stocks that are going to die within the industry and short them. That's the next one. I did a show yesterday. If you'd like to watch my show yesterday. I did this show, guys. Yesterday on my show, and I told you about all these stocks in the hospital industry. The 26th, Sunling Systems, Atherto, Curum, Trib, Milestone, Meridian, Surgery Partners, Orashore, ARA, RDNT, AHCO. Went through every one of them, guys. Every one of them is up. From here, here, you have 2 losers out of the group. Look how much they went up yesterday. Half positions closed on all the picks from yesterday in the morning. LHCG, I went through the chart at 129. I sold at 131.05. Nice 7-point move. HCA, healthcare at 92, went to 103, sold 101.10105. Everything was done at the 5. The next one, so you have the first one was LHCG, then HCA, then Universal Health at 89, 97.05. Then Tenant Healthcare, THC at 17.95, 21.05. AHCO, Adapt Health at 13.95, sold at 15.55. So you got an 11%, or a 17%, or an 8%, or a 9%. Radnet at 9.95, cruised through 10 and 11, sold 11.55, 16%. Orasure at 7.25, sold at 8.05, 11%. And CYH at 3.85, sold at 4.55, 18%. I went over every one of those charts yesterday in the beginning of the morning. Every one of them. They were all the hospitals. Now I'm looking for stocks that are going to do bad. Such a la some restaurants, Cheesecake Factory, things like that. See? I was testing some BKYI this morning. Got feeling a little bit of that. So here's the Cheesecake Factory. You can go ahead below that right there. Set a new low on the cheesecake. All these ones like that. Gotta find some stocks now that are going to be deteriorating in the next 30 days. Going on, Mr. Partridge? Going on, Batman? Let's see who's alive in the Mojo room this morning. Good morning, Batman. Nice to see you today. Welcome to the room. Hello. Mr. Money. Hello. Good morning. You always got the money. Mr. Partridge. Hello. A little birdie. You. Hello. Hello, Mr. Texas. Nice to see you. Texas. Throw you a bone. Whoops. Throw you right there, my little tongue. What's up? Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Matt. Partridge into Pennsylvania. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, Mr. Renteria. Good morning, Mr. MD. Good morning, Mr. Rat. And good morning, Mr. Challenger. Good day today we're going to have, guys. Absolutely. And Mr. Nantucket. Nice. Good morning. Hey, Mr. Hopper. Nice to see you today, too. Absolutely. Monocle going. Oh, it's going to be a good Friday. JDST is going to crank good today. BKYI is doing good. 225. Now it's moving up right now. I'm going to go a little higher. Hey, good morning, Mr. Wolf. Going to go a little higher now. The BKYI. Green froze. There we go. Hey, good morning, Mr. Gags. Hey Octo, good morning. Nice to see you. Good Friday. TVIX doing good today, up 47 bucks. I think it's going to be a TVIX day, man, and a UV day through 67 on UV, 66.98. Here it's going to be a UVXY kind of day. I think it's going to go, there's a signal right there at 67. Right there. 967 on UV. Morning, guys. Hey, Sweepy, how you doing? Nice to see you. Going on, EDDCO Friday. Welcome to the room. Morning, Mr. Cash. There's UV 67. They just took the signal. See it? 1268, 67. Once it pops through that, she'll bang. Right there, 67 Heinzer. See what else I got going on. When I'm live, you could subscribe, you get notified by email, by YouTube and Google. Not like TikTok or can't get my thing up there. I ain't doing no 3:30 either, dudes. Sorry. You wanted me to stream today at 3:30, dude. I ain't doing that. I'm gonna go my regular 2 p.m. If you would have got me live now, I would have done it, but there's no way. I'm not staying on a Friday from 3:30 to freaking 4:30, and you can't even get your shit going on. And I'm making money left and right. This UVXY Heinz trade should be on your show, and it's freaking not, dude. What's that mean? Live, subscribe, and notified. What does that mean? Signal on UV. Right here at 60. Signal on UV at 60. A big one. There it is. He's trying. UV's doing really nice. It's 67.42 now. It went through Heinz 67. It's big. Nice trade, guys. I don't even know what I just said, Mar. I just know I'm up 50 cents on TVIX through Heinz. Nice trading, guys. We're going to get this baby up there. Good job. We're in a 92 STO rail grind. Nice separation. Nice separation on the chair. Guys, nice separation right here from the buy. You're at a 91.87 STO. 91.7, so it's going high. There's the signal, 16.6. See it? 15.9. Got him. Told you he was there, dudes. I told you. I told you he was there, dude. Look. It's TradeX platform. With Pioneer Trading Group. We all use it. A lot of us. 54 bid. Taking out the 60. Penny pinchers. Look at that. Penny pincher action, dudes. Look at that. Gonna rip that sucker right now. Told you. Told you. 56 penny pincher, dude. Look at that. Into a 60. They freaking want it bad. 57 penny pincher. 8,100 at 60, taking it. 67.60 going into 68 now. They're going 58, 59 penny pincher bids. There's 59. Told you. 59 penny pinch, man. 61, topped it. Went up above the bid. Got it at 60, and then it jumped to 74. See that? Did you see that? Took that sucker right fast. That was badass, dude. TVIX went up with it, no doubt. 386 on the TV. Both of them made a beautiful move in the pre for the MOJO. 67.76 bid, 84 by 96 now. 84 by 98 now. Yeah, appreciate that, Challenger. Delete it. $68 bid, Heinz 68. Here we go. Beautiful trade, Mojos. $68 bid, boys. Nobody's better. Nobody's better than the MOJO. Dennison, you must have done really good on that. How'd you do on YouTube on that trade? $1 moved on UV. Missed by Ticker Talker Live. Son of a bitches, huh? Yep. I hate them, dude. They're wasting my damn time. A nurse friend of mine said they're feeling everyone on the COVID floor magnesium sulfate, aka Epsom salt. It's at, if at first, then the towel, then a few days. Okay, nice. Good, Epsom. Nice, George. Glad you made a nice dollar on the UVXY trade. I haven't traded it in days, dude. Days. But when I go to something, dude, Mojo makes the move. I wonder if the markets will turn around if the House gets passed. Keep on one. I wonder if the world would have turned, if I would have told you the world would turn down and the world would be nonstop 2 weeks ago, you would, you know, you can't wonder about nothing nowadays, dude. You just got to do Heinz only, and that's it. Nothing else matters, dude. Nothing else matters about nothing. You can't count on anything but the Heinz trade play. That's it. Can't count on nothing. Now, I'm the only guy live out there right now that just showed you how to make money in the market on a dollar move on a stock. Now, everyone else is doing crap. They're going through scans. Look, Mier Barak live. Okay. Who else I got? I got me. It says I'm live. Ticker Talker's live. Look, this guy. They're doing him, but they ain't doing me, bitches. Bitches. Hate them. So he's live.
Making sure that we are.
They're watching Shorting Cheesecake Factory. They got cheesecake up there. It's funny. Beginner Traders live.
Usually that is a coronavirus, actually. And so Studies like that, it'd be really easy to misinterpret. And so it's tough to.
He's the guy that I called out the other day that was trading MU for 3 cents and let it go down and lost all his profit live on the show. Nice. Good job.
Let's start in Asia and figure out what's going on over there and then bring it forward here into today's market here in the US of A.
Not happening. Don't know what you're talking about. Don't like to really rely on what other people are saying, man. I seem to be a week ahead, many days ahead of everybody else. So I just rely on my own instinct, my own wave. I'm on that wave, you know, where I'm cruising in on the bottom and I'm smoothing up on the top and I'm just smoothing down. If I start listening to somebody else, I'll do it the other way around. I'll be freaking selling on the bottom and buying on the top. Be bad. Be bad.
Yes.
Yes. All right, guys, we got a new trade coming up. BKYI Heinz 2. Right here, $1.99, $2. PHUN looks very interesting right here. Touchy 111 on PHUN with a huge signal and a penny pincher on PHUN. I think I've had this one for my swing. Let me take a quick look. No, we've played it before in the room. At 6:43 it halted. Right here. So here's where we had PHUN before. At 6:43 it halted right here. At $6.43 it made a huge spike. Do you see that? Out of control through $6 Heinz. It went from 6 and halted up at 6:43. See that, guys? PHUN's moving at 570. So we played it for the $6 move. We played it for Skittles at 572, 73, 74, 80, 85, 90, and 95. It went through 6 and it halted at 6:43. It's at $1 now. That goes to show you where that was. And the date on it, do I even have a date? No. When I'm live, you get notified if you subscribe to my channel, guys. I have some other guys, but they ain't in here. Where are they supposed to be? Gibby. Them weed stocks are up so much, we're not even going to be able to trade them no more, man. Maury Povich compared to the mode. Yeah, they're all trading. All the CND, all the guys at home now. All the CEOs and stuff. What are you going to do? How are you going to run a company? Let's do this. You know, let's make a little circle right here. We'll make a little couple of circles. Okay, you have the restaurants. You have advertising. You have trucking. Like this. This is what I'm looking for. See, the restaurants are all messed up. The advertisers can't advertise for the restaurants because there is nothing going on. And the truckers can't deliver no food because no one's eating in there. Like each industry is like affected by the other industry. You know what I'm saying? And it's real bad. It's the big snowball effect. And you got to find, and then there's industries that are going to be benefiting. Like here's the offset. Instead of the advertising, you got these two. Instead of the restaurants, these two are going to work. And you have little offsets of the ones not working to the ones that are. But there's going to be a whole group of circles that are going to be companies that, I mean, great, you'll get a bailout, but they ain't going to, and bailouts don't work, man. MFA 199 by 2, BKYI 206. UV still holding up at 67. Oh, it came back down. We can do another trade on it. Hold on. Okay, UVXY 6651 stopping station. Right here, entry, half size trade, because it's not a Heinz. $66.27 to 32, and then $66.07 to 12. Even expect the next 77 to 82. That's on the downside. On the upside, add into Heinz 37. I mean 67. Right there. So we got a good one right now on PIX again right here at stopping station. We do a 1, a 2 right here, and we wait for number 3 right there for the first green, and we'll nail a good one on UVXY again. Right there. So that's what we got going on. I already gave out that pick in the room. It's Friday. So I want to thank everyone for watching the Mojo pre-market show and what's going on. There's not really a lot going on, that's for sure, in this pre-market. But the guys on YouTube, get into the Mojo Day Trade room so you can see a trade live. I'm going to turn my screen share on live now because it wasn't on yesterday for everybody. So I want to thank you for watching the Mojo show. I'll see you this afternoon for a beautiful recap of what we traded, what worked, what didn't work, what news is coming out this afternoon, and so forth. So if you're not trading in the Mojo room, you should be. If you're not a subscriber to the Mojo YouTube channel, click up above right there in my head. You'll subscribe, click the bell, get notified, and watch those 2 videos that pop up here. Those would be yesterday's shows. I just got filled on an entry right down here at 66.07 entry. I waited a second, and I got it right down here at 66.07 right here. I like that. Boom. Okay. 65.90 right here on the bid. Right here. See, I just got a little fill action right here. 66.12, 66.11 right here. See that? Just bought 100 right there at 66. To show you I ain't screwing around. I'm doing it as well. So listen, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you this afternoon on the next show. Later.